Hi, in this video we'll see how to use the header or footer. So example, you wrote a number of documents to prepare a project document or your thesis or anything. So to every no, instead of writing the page number, the date, or place, or the confidential of the document, any disclaimer, who is the owner of the document, right? So in this case, what you can do it, you can use this header and footer option. So you can just go to the insert tab and you go to the header. Okay. So you can define what example write. So here example you write that. Okay. So I'm writing India and I'm writing okay. I'm writing here. Okay. Tab here. January. I mean it's August month 2023 and here project document. Write it here. So every page it will get also. So if you want to add a footer section, you can add footer. In footer, maybe you can write this is property of so, so this and you can write the page number insert page number. You can write top of the pages, bottom of the pages. You can define example top of the pages and the middle. You can select it here. Up to you how you want to define it here, right? So insert header footer. The header itself you want to make it, you can make it here. You want to footer, go to footer section, the page number came automatically. Okay, so this is how to use the header and footer in the MS Word. Okay, so if you write multiple pages, all header and footer, it will come automatically in the all the pages without writing multiple times. Okay, thank you, see you in my next video.